Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Properties like this are few and far between. Set on 2.43 acres off the Hermitage Dam Road, Kingston 9, is this ranch-style 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with an old world charm and modern upgrades. The house has many features with breathtaking views and is made for the family that loves to entertain. Hardwood floors line the interior, along with French windows and doors with Georgian shutters that opens up onto the city lights, as well as the gardens that surround the home. One of the most special places in this home is the extended veranda that lines the front of the house. The living area of the house is on the entry level. The courtyard, which is a perfect space to host guests, along with the terraced flat lawn. That is another wonderful spot for entertaining. The land is bountiful with fruit trees, etc. Other amenities include dog kennels, an electric gate, ample parking, and a alarm system. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 4,500 or Jamaican $692,200 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.